So, Jonny, what are you doing here now?
Well, actually, we're with Tognama, the manager, the owner of Ghost Hotel, which is excellent.
And now we're the host.
Yeah, our host for the whole trip.
Yeah.
And just a few minutes ago, Tognama has made the phone call to Organising Bilibili, which is a local shop. It's our last night in Central African Republic.
So we have to have go-away party.
Go-away party. We're having
With you, of
Bilibili
course.
shop, and we are in an absolutely beautiful location. We are about 5 kilometers from Bowali.
Yeah.
It's about 5 kilometers.
Near.
Bowali, yeah.
Bali, yes.
We're near Bowali, and we're in a bar called Blair Onyx. Blair. In fact, this even says Onyx on the back of the chair.
Yeah.
So this is Onyx bar, and we got some food here, and then we're heading back to the capital city, which is about 2.5 hours away, something like that.
Okay.